Hello friends, welcome to your channel and another weekly top down analysis video on the golden GJ. So as usual, we will start our analysis with the monthly time frame and then we will go down to lower time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour and 30 minutes time frame. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we are on the gold monthly time frame. Now, as we can see, the gold is bullish because we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we can see that at one point of time, resistance area where the price rejected this area multiple times. Now we have broken this area, created a new high, and right now I'm anticipating a pullback and support formation on the monthly time frame for the price to continue going up. So we are bullish on the monthly time frame. Now let's go to weekly time frame to see exactly what is happening on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is also bullish, as we can see that we have created a new high. So we can see that we have created a new high, and right now the price is kind of consolidating between this support and this resistance. Also we have a resistance right here because we have this candle close bearish. So now we can see that the price is already bullish and we have created a new high. So now if the next weekly candle close above this resistance, there is a very high probability for the price to continue going up in this bullish market to the next resistance, which is right here. Also, if we break this support, basically get a weekly candle close below this support, we already have clean range on the left hand side. So there is a very high probability in that situation for the price to continue going down to the next support, which is right here. So that is something on the weekly time frame. Now let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. As we can see on the daily time frame, we have a support right here. This is a strong support area. As we can see, the price found support here, support here, support here. Right now below this support, we can also see that we have a clean range on the left hand side. So if the price come down to this area and give us some bullish price action here, we can look to take long in order to target this resistance, which we can see that resistance, resistance, resistance. So in that situation, we can look to take long in order to target this resistance. Also, if the price on the daily time frame close below this support, we have the next support in this area. So we can anticipate the price to go down to the next support, which is right here. And we can use this information on the lower time frame, 1 hour and 30 minutes time frame, to find out shorting and the long opportunities. Right now, let's go to 4 hour time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market is looking bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, we created a higher low, we did not break the previous high, but we create a high and we created a higher low. So overall, we can see that we have a low, higher low, higher low, and again right here we broke these highs, created a new high, and right now price made this big move to the downside. So price is bullish on the 4 hour time frame, and if we mark our support and resistance, we can see that this is a strong resistance area. Also we have a strong support right here. So right now, if the price come up and break this resistance, we have clean range on the left hand side. So there is a very high probability price is going to go up to retest the new high created by the price. Also, if the price break this support, basically create a new low, then we can wait for a pullback and resistance formation to take short and target the new low created by the price. So that is something on the 4 hour time frame. Now let's go to a 30-minute time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute, we can see that the price made this big move to the downside, and right now if we mark our support and resistance, we can see that this one is a resistance at the moment. And if we mark our support, this is the support. The next support is right into these areas, and the next resistance is right here. So next resistance is right here. So right now we can see that the price already made this big move to the downside. Right now we made a pullback, and so now if the price can come down to this area and give us some kind of double bottom and give us some bullish price action in this area, we can look to take long in order to target this high created. Also, if we break this resistance, we already have clean range on the left hand side. So in that situation also, we can look to take long to target the next resistance, which is right here. So these are the opportunities we can look for. Also, if the price break this support, we again have clean range on the left hand side, so we can look to take short to target the next support, which is right here. So that is something on the 30-minute time frame. Now let's go to our second pair, which is a GJ. And the GJ also, we are going to start with the monthly time frame. So now on the monthly time frame GJ, we can see that the price is bullish because we are making high highs and higher lows. We created a high, we created a high low. Right now the price has broken the previous high, created a new high. So right now on the monthly time frame, I'm anticipating a pullback and support formation, and anticipate the price to continue going up with this bullish momentum. That is something on the monthly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame also, we are bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. As we can see that we created a high, we created a higher low. Again, we have created a new high. So we can anticipate a pullback and support formation before we continue going up. Also, if we mark our support and resistance zone, we can see that we had this resistance. And if we see like where is the next resistance, for that we need to go to the left hand side. So we can see that the next resistance is right here. So now if we come back to our recent price action, we can see that the last weekly candle close above this resistance. And now there is a very high probability for the next weekly candle to come up, grab liquidity from this area, make the bottom wick from the new weekly candle, and continue going up to the next resistance, which is right here. So that is something I anticipate on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily time frame to see exactly what is happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are also bullish as we are making high highs and higher lows. We created a high, we created a higher low, we created a high, higher low, and right now we have created a new high. So I anticipate a pullback and support formation before we can continue going up. That is something on the daily time frame. Now let's go to 4-hour time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see that this one is an area where we have resistance, resistance, resistance. Right now we have broken this resistance, created a new high. So now I anticipate a pullback and support formation before we continue going up with this bullish momentum. That is something I see on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to 30-minute time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30 minutes also, we are bullish as we have this resistance. Price broke this resistance, created a new high. Again, as we know, the price always moves with the high highs and higher lows in bullish market, and lower lows and lower highs in bearish markets. So right now we are in the bullish market. We already created this new high. Right now I anticipate a pullback and support formation before we can look to take long and target the previous high created by the price. That is something I see. So basically we can wait for a pullback and support formation, look for some bullish price action, and to take long. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the golden GJ from the monthly to the 30-minute time frame. I hope you found some value from this video. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in another video.